Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, your guide to unlocking the wonders of the English language. Today, we're diving into the word assume, a versatile B2 level verb that means to suppose or to take on. This word is often used in both casual and professional conversations, so let's explore how it works. First, let's talk about the definition. When you assume something, you're accepting it as true without having proof. For example, I assume the meeting will end by 5 p.m. In another sense, assume can mean to take on a role or responsibility, like, she will assume the role of manager starting next week. This dual meaning makes assume a very practical word to know. Let's move on to some synonyms for assume. Words like presume, suppose, accept, and undertake can often be used interchangeably. For instance, I presume you've already finished the report, or he agreed to undertake the project with enthusiasm. These examples show how similar meanings can help you express yourself in different ways. On the flip side, we have antonyms of assume, such as doubt, question, refuse, or reject. For example, instead of assuming, you might say, I doubt he will arrive on time, or she decided to reject the offer instead of assuming it was the best choice. These antonyms emphasize a lack of acceptance or certainty, which contrasts clearly with assume. So how can you use assume in everyday life? Imagine you're planning a party and someone hasn't RSVP'd. You might say, I'll assume they're coming unless I hear otherwise. Or at work, the manager will assume responsibility for the client meeting tomorrow. These examples show how seamlessly assume fits into casual and professional conversations alike. Here are a few more examples to help cement the word in your mind. Don't assume everything you read online is true. He began to assume the duties of his new job with confidence. We shouldn't assume everyone understands the instructions without explanation. That wraps up today's episode. We explored the meaning of assume, its synonyms and antonyms, and how to use it in various contexts. Thank you for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review. Your support helps others find the show. I'd also love for you to try creating your own sentence using the word assume and share it with us in the comments. See you next time on Hello Word.